welcome back everyone to another episode of the Rad Skatepark Check-In. I am Peekskill, and like always I have my man Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Right now we are at Second Nature, Peekskill, New York, episode 7. And today we brought Matt Whiteman and Justin Saida. This spot is indoors. When you come here, there is a fee you have to pay. Talk to this guy or whoever's working. If you guys need boards when you come here, there's decks on the wall. There's tons of merch, trucks, wheels, bearings, grip tape, pads, helmets. I even see shoes back there. A refrigerator over there for drinks. Literally, you walk in here and it's a one-stop shop. Everything's right here. I guess before you actually walk into the main skate park, there's like this really miniature quarter pipe. It's a miniature bank. And then I think there's a mini ramp back here. Mini ramp. This place is open every day.
All right, so what do you do after you pay?
I don't know, you could get a drink, you could go shopping, you could try on shoes, or you could go skate. Super loud, so I have to speak up. I'm gonna show you this quarter, like everyone's getting ready to take off. It's like takeoff zone.
It's like a spine.
Yeah, well, it's a spine, but it's a spine into nowhere. It's a takeoff zone, and then right there is a big quarter section next to the quarter I just showed you. Like spaced out banks, and it's like compartmentalized quarter pipes. That's the best way I could explain it to you. 2 fun boxes that are connected to each other. It's 2 different sizes, and on the other side of the fun box is a kicker ramp. Look, stashed movable rail, and the cone, and this thing. Dude, they're stashing everything. This all gets used. Big quarter section. There's that guy right there. Who's that? Is that real brick, or is that like a sheet? Park is like stashed a lot of stuff. Outlets from that hip. We have to get closer to look. So we're gonna play Frogger, and we're gonna get a better look at the park from the other side, so you get a better idea. On this side of the park, the hubba, the bank, 3 blocks of the handrail, and the outlets, big flat bar and the A-frame. The quarter and the bank to wall ride. I don't think that's it. It's not over. We gotta go upstairs, come on. Yo, it's packed in here, but let's show it to you. You got a big bowl on this side, and it looks like 2 minis on this side. A mini with this spine. There it is, guys. I'm showing it to you. Maybe it'll clear out. I don't know, but hey, I like it. This place is super rad. Like up here, while you're chilling, you can just stand here and peep the skateboarding. Super chill. But yo, like I always say, right, Ant? Let's go get some clips. We're gonna go get some clips, hopefully. So, all right. I needed. Come on. Gotta land it right now. Have to land it. Great job, great job. And that's what we call perseverance. All right, we got a ground report from the local himself, Jason, right? Sure.
Hello.
How's the ground here?
Oh, it's pretty good. Kind of slippery sometimes, but
Makes sense, right? Indoor, slippery. He knows more than me because he's the local.
What about the ramps? You think the ramps are slippery or?
ramps are a bit, but like once you get used to it, this place is the best. It's just amazing, to be honest. Go with second nature, it's the best.
You won't.
Not right.
Yo, thank you for watching another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in right here in Peekskill at Second Nature. It's definitely worth coming here. You know, winter time in New York, it could be pretty brutal. If you're itching to skate, raining or snowing, it's definitely worth it to come here.
I would recommend coming at an earlier time so you can get a full day session. 20 bucks all day, come on now.
Definitely hectic here though. Matt, what do you think of the park with everybody?
The park is really sick. It's just crazy dope.
It gets a little crazy because, you know, everybody's trying their own thing. They're trying to
That's
do
why you
their
gotta have proper skate park etiquette.
thing. Yeah, man.
Yeah, definitely. Right, Matt?
Yeah!
No Matt Whiteman.
Yo.
It's Mr. Snake Man himself.
Literally.
Matty Snake.
Two-try Matt. Mac and...
Yo, big shout out to Justin. Big shout out to Matt for throwing down. Big shout out to the locals we ran into. Jason, that was throwing down, and his dad. Like I always say, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. If you like the content, please follow us on Instagram at Boardsport. And like I said, check out the website if you're interested in that stuff at www.radboardsport.co. Where are we going next?
Leave us in the comments and tell us about where we're gonna go next.
Exactly. And don't forget to
Ride all day.
Yo, he bailed me out. I was skating like doo-doo. He saved me from complete disaster.